Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze emini nje.
Ours from today onwards is to investigate whether our criminal justice system is what it should be.
We want to address the criminality, the political interference, as well as the corruption.
Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ubizwe njengofakazi wokuqala ekhomishaneni eholwa ijaji eselithathe umhlalaphansi uMbuyiseli Madlanga nephenya insolo ezenziwa uyena uMkhwanazi ezimayelana nokugxambukela kosombusazwe kanye namaqembu eyigelekeqe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa.
In light of these findings, the court is not persuaded and satisfied that the applicant has established exceptional circumstances which, in the interest of justice, permits his release on bail. The application for bail is accordingly refused.
Inkantolo eMantshi yase-Alexandra isichithile isicelo sebheyili sikaVusumuzi Cat Matlala nosomabhizinisi obhekene necala lokuzama ukubulala owabe eyintombi yakhe uTebugo Thobejane.
The facts are such that there are some municipalities that are run that are getting better audit reports.
Kusuka umsindo ngemva kokuthi umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa etshele amakhansela ngaphezulu kwe-4,000 abebuthene eGoli ukuthi kufanele abukele komasipala abaholwa i-Democratic Alliance ukubona ukuthi iziphi izinto azenzayo ukuze ahole omasipala kangcono. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba yenze ihora lokuqala enizethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali. Kuqalile ekuseni namhlanje ePitoli ukuhlala kwekhomishana kaMadlanga ejutshelwe ukuphenya phezulu kweinsolo ezibucayi ezadalulwa obala ngoNtulikazi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi eyiqagula ukuthi kunenhlese yokugxambukela ekusebenzeni kweinhlakazi ezomthetho nobulungiswa okwenziwa osombusazwe abathile abasondelene kakhulu nezigebengu.
Ours from today onwards is to investigate whether our criminal justice system is what it should be or whether it has been infiltrated by criminal syndicates. Words from us must end here, and we must start with the investigative process.
Ijaji uMbuyiseli Madlanga wendlalele kafushane okuzokwenziwa ikhomishana ayiholayo kulomsebenzi ejutshwe kuwo. Kube sengeniswa ke ufakazi wokuqala wekhomishana uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nokunguye othathwa njengomvuso wenyamazane ngodaba olubucayi ngeinsolo zokugxambukela ekusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa kanye neinhlakazi ezomthetho nobulungiswa. Umkhwanazi aqagula ukuthi kuqhutshwa osombusazwe abathile abasondelene kakhulu nezigebengu kanye nosomabhizinisi.
I would like to draw attention then to paragraphs 13 and 14, which set out the scope of your statement and the testimony you are about to give. Can you briefly speak to that scope of your evidence?
Commissioner, the main address that we put on this statement will focus in the main on what has been much talked about, which is the KwaZulu-Natal political killings task team. We will want to address that first. And secondly, we will want to address the criminality, the political interference, as well as the corruption within the criminal justice system. It shall become evident that significant overlaps and intersection between the two broad topics, and a distinction between the two may not always be possible to draw. I will, however, address the issue of KwaZulu-Natal political killings task team first.
Umkhwanazi utshele isigcawu sekhomishana ukuthi ezinye zezigameko zokusocongwa kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal zisuka kanjani ngokolwazi abanalo njengamaphoyisa esifundazweni.
It became a conflict amongst the members of the same political party, where one person will have enjoyed the majority from the society, wanting to elevate that person to the position of being a leader of society in that particular locality. But the executive of the political party will take a decision that, regardless of popularity of that individual, but they choose another person to appoint as a leader. And the one who's popular, of course, will feel aggrieved, and the fights then started within the same political party.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga izoqhubeka kuze kube yihora lesine ntambama osukwini lwayo lokuqala.
Inkantolo yemantshi yase-Alexandra isichithile isicelo sebheyili sikasomabhizinisi uVusimuzi Cat Matlala nosolwa ngokucija itulo lokuzama ukubulala owabe intombi yakhe uTebogo Thobejane.
Usomabhizinisi ongundabamlonyeni uVusimuzi Cat Matlala uzoqhubeka nokuqunywa esitokisini njengoba yenqatshelwe ibheyili. Ngaphambi kokukhipha isinqumo imantshi ikhale ngokuthi uMatlala ngaliflathela elakuleli njengoba enawo nomazisi waseSwatini onegama elihlukile kunaziwa ngalo.
The alleged Eswatini identity document, irregularities in the Home Affairs records, and the complainant's ability to access a cell phone in custody and relied upon as demonstrating his capacity to evade trial and communicate unlawfully.
Imantshi beyisinqoma ukusichitha isicelo sebheyili ngithi uMatlala uyingozi njengoba iseke wabhadanywa nomakhalekhukhwini ejele iHoshima Mpuru.
Having evaluated the evidence, the court finds the applicant has failed to demonstrate that he does not pose a flight risk. The applicant has failed to dispel the risk of interference with state witnesses and obstruction of justice. The nature and seriousness of the offences demonstrate a clear danger to the safety of the community. The state's case viewed at this stage cannot be described as weak. In the light of these findings, the court is not persuaded and satisfied that the applicant has established exceptional circumstances which, in the interest of justice, permits his release on bail. The application for bail is accordingly refused.
Umnyango wezamaphoyisa usamukele lesinqumo.
Firstly, Cat Matlala is a flight risk. He's got 2 identity documents. He's got 1 South African ID. He also has an Eswatini ID. And then in terms of movement of control, it shows that Cat Matlala is in Eswatini because in April 2024, he crossed the border, and we have proof that his passport was stamped and he's currently in Swaziland. So that makes him a flight risk because according to movement control, he's not in South Africa, he is in Swaziland.
Kubizwe ufakazi wesibili eceleni lokwebiwa kwemali engamadola asemelika eplazini kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala. Owethula ubufakazi utshele inkantolo yemantshi yaseModimolle ukuthi akazange abheke ukuthi kunesikhwama noma uplastiki okhona, yena wabona ukhiye wawuthatha wahamba.
Namhlanje owethula ubufakazi omunye wayesebenza nomsolwa wesibili. Inkantolo ke imbuzo ukuthi walithola yini ulwazi lokuthi khona imali eyebiwa eplazini.
After Mr. Sylvester was through with his checking, I did not hear anything about that there was money, and again that they stole the money.
Inkantolo ithe akachaze ukuthi uma ekhuluma ngokuthi uMengameli uRamaphosa wafika eplazini emva kukaNcibijane ka2020 kwakunini ngempela.
If I remember clearly or correctly, it was around the 6th, the 7th.
Uphinde wabuza ukuthi uyamazini umsolwa wesibili.
I know her very well, but when I am at the farm to go to clean the main house, I do not go with them. But I do not know when I am not at the farm what happens.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Uma ngabe sihlabela phambili manje sixhumana ngocingo nentatheli yeSABC ufundiswa Mhlekude onkanisela lapha ya enkantolo yemantshi eselusikisiki njengoba kuqhubeka icala lokuqothwa kwabantu abayishumi nokuyisigameko esenzeka eNgobozana elusikisiki eEastern Cape. Fundiswa asikubingelele sikamukele indabeni zehora lokuqala emini sicela nje usidwebele isithombe ngokuqhubeka enkantolo njengoba phela kulindeleke ukuthi umzukisi indamase osolwa ngokuba ungqondongqondo kuleli cala aqhubeke nokupheka ngembuzo umangalelwa usephendula ufakazi wombuso uLwando Aphi.
Mahlabangane nababukeli namhlanje icala alikaqhubi kodwa ke mangixelele nje ngento eqhubeke izolo apha enkundleni kamantshi yaselusikisiki. Uyakhumbula ukuba umzukisi Ndamase otsholwa ngokuba ungqondongqondo kwelityala usapheke sophula ngemibuzo ojike walinqina lenkundla uLwando Aphi. Nalapho ke uAphi athe apha ekuphekweni kwakhe ngemibuzo esophulwa wathi umnqweno wakhe yayikukuba umnumzana uMzukisi Ndamase agule afe entolongweni ngoba uthi wayengayithandi indlela enza ngayo izinto wayefuna yonke into ihambe ngokwendlela athanda ngayo yena uMzukisi utsho futhi ukuba nangona nje wayefuna afe kodwa wayengafuni ukuba buphele ubuhlobo bakhe ngoba uthi njengomuntu othengisa iziyobisi wayesazi ukuba ukhe wohlukana noMzukisi Ndamase uMzukisi Ndamase wazi abantu abaninzi uza kumbloka ukuba angakwazi ukuqhubeka ethengisa iziyobisi futhi njengoba esazi abaninzi emazi futhi nabantu abamthengiselayo mhlambi angenza into ebuhlungu kubo ngoba uthi uMzukisi Ndamase wambona ukuba ungumuntu okhohlakele kakhulu okanye onenhliziyo embi ngoba uthi wayalela ukuba kubulawe usopolitiki wakwaBhaca uMncedisi Gijana kuba engazange ayombona entolongweni ngoba siyakhumbula ukuba uGijana noMzukisi Ndamase kuvakala ukuba sema okanye bexhomisa isithuthi bobabini kodwa babanjwa ke kodwa uMzukisi uGijana zange ahamba yombona uMzukisi entolongweni yenza lonto ngokuba acinge ukumbulala nyani ke wabe uyambulala ezinye zezinto ke athi wayengazithandi awayezenza uthi wayesithi uMzukisi ngokwasentolongweni xa igqiba ukubulala umuntu amthumelele ivideo okanye nefoto ezalonto ambuleleyo nangona uAbi ebengeyonxalenye yokubulawa kwabo bantu so kulindeleke ukuba njengoba inkundla iqalisa apha emva kweligameni ihora lokuqala aqhubeke umnumzana uNdamase nokupheka ngemibuzo uAbi.
Sibonge kakhulu ukufundiswa Mhlekude obesibikela elaphaya elusikisiki. Usibongile Phesani oyinhloko ehhovisi likaMengameli kwiANC uthi alibangabikho iphutha enkulumeni kaMengameli weANC Cyril Ramaphosa njengoba eveze ukuthi iDA yenza kahle kakhulu kwabanye omasipala kunayo iANC.
Those municipalities that do best are not ANC controlled municipalities, and I can name it here because there's nothing wrong with competition. They are often DA-controlled municipalities.
Oyinhloko ehhovisi likaMengameli weANC uthi zanga sengemithi uMengameli weANC uCyril Ramaphosa njengoba etshele amakhansela leli qembu ukuthi kufanele abonele komasipala abangaphansi kobuholi beDemocratic Alliance.
We didn't lie in a sense that in South Africa the facts are such that there are some municipalities that are DA run that are getting better audit reports than those that we run. So when the president of the ANC is confronted with those facts, he can't just deny them. But what is important is to understand the ANC itself. The ANC is a learning organization.
Uqhubeke wathi njengoba nje African National Congress iqembu elihlezi limisele ngokufunda alikwazi ukuvele lenze ngathi alikubona okuhle okwenziwa imbangiyalo ngenxa yokuthi nje akubona ngasolinye kwezinye izinto.
When the president says, look, we have an opponent called the DA, but there's something good that he is doing in terms of the governance, especially with respect to Auditor General's report and so on.
Yeah.
He does not absolve the DA from its incompetencies that we all know.
Emva kokubeka nje obala ukuthi DA yenza kahle komasipala, uRamaphosa ube esethwesa iANC ijoka lokuba ibuza ukuthi yini lenenziwa iDA abangayenzi bona.
Mbukelisa siqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
Asinayo enye choice because sisebenzisa iTaxi ayikho enye indlela yoba siphangele.
Abagibeli bamatekisi eWestern Cape basalede engwane namhlanje ngenxa yokuvala kwemizila yamatekisi insuku ezingama30 ngemizamo yokuqeda impi yeinhlangano zamatekisi eqhubekayo kulesi yasifundazwe. Sephethe sikubingela sikwamukele mbukeli mungabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ubizwe njengofakazi wokuqala ekhomishana eholwa ijaji eselithatha umhlala phansi uMbuyiseli Madlanga nephenye insolo ezenziwa uyena uMkhwanazi ezimayelana nokuqhambukela kosombusazwe kanye namaqembu eyigelekeqe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa. Khumbula ke mbukeli ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ungena kuze uyicenge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Umfundi ka grade 11 eCibeni High School elibode esifundazweni Eastern Cape kusola ukuthi ushawe uthishanhloko wesikole. Uthi abafundi kanye nothisha bebemgcona behlekisa ngaye. Lo mfundi ube esephuma egumbini lokufundela ekhala okuyilapho ke okusola ukuthi uthishanhloko umshaye khona walimala kanti kumanje kunzima ngisho ukubhala kulomfundi.
Ukubethwa kwabantwana kusaqhubeka kwezinye izikolo kutyholwa ngelithi inqununu yesikolo samabanga phezulu iCibeni iye yangena kwigumbi lokufundela lebanga le-11 labetha abantwana ngombhobho. Umfundi uye wabizwa ngegama angalifuniyo kwaye kutyholwa ngokuba nenqununu iye yambiza ngalo imngxolisa.
Wanyamanisa nodonge enyola ethi ngamqheli kakubi wanibamba wanchova nobetheke ezikhabhathini buye ndazichola. Ngoku waphindwa eklasini wafika wanibetha wathi manibaxela nto esikolo bakuthenda igeza ndathi ke mna ndizixa andiyithandi into bakuthenda umpoloni mna ndingopoloni. Emva waphinda ofisini xa ezondibetha ofisini ndakhala xa ndiguqa xa ndiyekayo.
Umama womfundi uthi ixhala lakhe likwimpatho azoyifumana umntwana wakhe esikolweni kuba inqununu isaqhubeka nokufundisa khona.
Fikile kwagqirha wathi ugqirha umntwana uphele ngaphakathi ukhuzukile apha esandleni ethanjeni. So umntwana akaziva right njengoba elapha endlini kum akakwazi ukubhala ngesisandla nalapha esinqeni usekwindawo sabetheke kuyo.
Isebe lezemfundo lithi liyazilandelela ezi zityholo.
Zembe kwasivile lento siye sathumela amagosa ethu afakana imilomo kanye nesithili. Isithili eso esesiqhube kakhulu ngoba siranje kunyenayo ngokufika lexesha loba athawuziswe ubani lo utyholwayo emveni koba kwenziwe uphando. Okwesibini uqinisekisa into yoba akukho bani uphinda ethwe esikolweni. Sizawufaka itraining kubazali nakubantwana nakotishara.
NdinguNomzwanele Mngoma ndiseMpuma Koloni.
Uhulumeni wase-Western Cape usumemezele ukumiswa kwamatekisi iy'nsuku engama-30 kusukela namhlanje. Lokhu kuza emva kokubonakala kokuqhubeka kombango wemizila.
Abagibeli abasale eDengwane kube sekubaphoqa ukuba basebenzise ezinye zokuthutha njengoba amatekisi engasebenzi. Obhekele zokuthutha eWestern Cape uthi ukumiswa kokusebenza kwamatekisi kubonakala kunesidingo ukuze kuvikelwe abagibeli futhi kulethwe ukuthula embonini yamatekisi. Umnyango wezokuthutha uthi inhlangano yamatekisi iCodeta kufanele igxile kakhulu ekuqhamukeni namasu okwehlisa udlame. Ukumiswa kokusebenza kwamatekisi kushaye kwezwela kubagibeli.
Siziva singakhuselekanga singabakhweli. Cha ke ngoku ke asinayo enye choice because sisebenzisa itaxi ayikho enye indlela yoba siphangele. Yoba siye Stellenbosch yabo. So apha kule rank khange sibone incidents zingako zenzekileyo zobulalana.
Mabeqala izinto zabo yabo nathi siyalimala nathi. Yeah. Manje nje asikho safe kakhulu.
Akukho safe. Ngoba ngenye imini sathi sifike ekseni safika kudutyulwe umuntu kuthiwa bekho imoto eyafika yadubula umuntu apha yajika yabaleka.
Izinhlangano zamatekisi ezimbili zithi zivule izandla ukuze kuxoxiswane futhi kutholakale amasu azoletha ukuthula phakathi kwalezi zinhlangano zombili.
We're still open for the negotiations if within these 30 days CATA and CODETA can agree or can sit around the table or agree on certain issues.
Ngolosihlanu olwedlule umnyango wezokuxhumana umemezele ukuthi uqoke inkampani ebizwa ngokuthi iBMIT Knowledge Group ukubilekelela iSABC ngokubhekelela ukuthi ingayenza kanjani inzuzo. Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana nobuchwepheshe uSoli Malatsi uthi lesi isinyathelo soyilekelela iSABC njengoba isibhekane nenkinga yemali iminyaka.
Usebe ngaphansi kwenkulu ingcindezi ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana nobuchwepheshe uSoli Malatsi njengoba bekufanele akhulume ngengqinamba ekungethi SABC ikakhulukazi emva kokuba ehoxise umthethosivivinyo wayi SABC. Phambilini usihlalo wekomiti lezokuxhumana uke waveza ukukhathazeka ngongabibikho kwesu lokulekelela iSABC.
As a committee, we're deeply concerned by this prolonged and unnecessary delay in processing this bill. We wrote to the minister on this matter 2 weeks ago, calling for urgent action on his part to resolve the financial and operational challenges at the SABC.
Abaqaphi bemthombo yeindaba kuleli bathi kufanele ngabe kade sathatha lesi sinyathelo baveza nokuthi bathemba ukuba into ezokwenzeka.
Well, I'm assuming that they'll have a clear terms of reference and time frames to do the work, and that they will make reports, interim and final, available, that they'll reveal to the department what their consultation periods and research is going to look like.
Sihlalo wekomiti lezokuxhumana uzamukelile lezi nyathelo wabalula ukuthi zizoyilekelela kakhulu SABC. Phambilini kuyakhuluma ngengqinamba ezikhungethe yona SABC.
As we stand here today, Centec, which has its main client, the SABC, is bleeding more than 70 million rand per month to subsidize SABC's broadcast signal costs. This is unsustainable.
Umsakazelo womphakathi ugunyazwe ukuba wethula indaba ulwazi uphinda ujabulise ngazo zonke izilimi isemthethweni zakuleli. Ngakho ke kunganzima mangabe kungafikwanga esixazululweni sokuthi ungazenzela kanjani enzuzo.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli usale kahle.